Today we're gonna have a look at something different. Divoom has sent me the pixel art backpack to review. The backpack has the same technology as the Divoom D2 speaker that we reviewed last week. Welcome to the review of the pixel art backpack. Hello, Thiago here, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings, and if it's something that interests you, do consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video, and share this video with your friends all around. With this said, let's start a review of the pixel art backpack. Starting with the price like always, the Divoom backpack costs £99.99 with a power bank already. You can check it on Amazon. Like always, I'll put links down below, so please check them out. In US, you can get the backpack for $149.99. And like always, links down below. Don't forget about that. Just go and check them out. From a backpack point of view, this backpack is fantastic design, and like everything that Divoom designs, it's also high quality. The backpack is made of a super premium material that is also waterproof and have a very smooth finish. On the front of the backpack is where the magic happens. The backpack comes with a 24x24 multicolor LED screen that can transform any pixel art that you can think of. Also on the front of the backpack we can see the Divoom logo. The hardware that Divoom uses are all high quality. The zippers, for example, closing them and open them is a very smooth process. Very nice to use overall. And this type of zippers are waterproof as well, so it will be safe to use electronics inside of your backpack. The Divoom backpack measures 275 by 150 by 385 millimeters and weighs around 895 grams. And for the screen to turn on, you need to use a power bank, so don't forget to put the weight of the power bank as well. Talking about the power bank, the backpack doesn't ship with a power bank, so you have to buy one. I will leave links down below with the power bank that we're using in this video, so please check them out. The backpack is big enough for all your belongings. Let's have a look inside. We have a laptop pocket, 4 accessory pockets, a key strap. The inside is very spacious. On the back of the backpack, too many bags here, is a documents pocket. On the side, a tablet pocket. A luggage strap on the back as well. And on the side, a rubber covered hole to put your charger cable for your phone, for example. Let's have a look at the app, what we can do here. So you can do your own design, and well, I'm not that good on this, as you guys can see, but yeah. Let's see what else we can do. We can do loads of things. Let's get out of here. You can do animations. I'm not good either to do animations as well, so let's move on. And you can do your own, and have a look. Tubers Fun Fun. You want customized animation, and it's so cool. And what else? You can have a stopwatch starting on your backpack. How amazing is that? And another one you can have. Where is it? Let me have a look. You can play games on your backpack. As you guys can see, go. I'm not that good playing these. as you guys can see, you can play games on your backpack. You're gonna be the coolest kid in school. And let's have a look what else we can do. Sorry guys. So you got the game, stopwatch. You can play music on your phone and the animations will go on the backpack, as you guys can see. And for me, one of the best ones. So guys, we live in Cambridge and it's full of bicycles. So if you go on your bicycle to work or go into school, you can use it, your backpack, as an indicator where you're going. Look, you're gonna turn right, you're gonna turn left, and you can use this one. So if you go on your bicycle and you don't have a light, you can use this one. You can use this one if you want to stop. You can say hi, and got loads of them. This is for Valentine's Days probably. Cool kids. The cool kid arrived. And that's all for the app, guys.
Overall, I'm really happy that Divoom has sent this backpack to me. Although during the current time we cannot travel, I'm sure that in future I'll be able to use it. It's the right size for all my belongings, and I love the screen. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends all around. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. It will help the channel. Stay safe, you and your family. Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas. And I'll see you after Christmas.